Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, thanks for clicking on this video, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today I'm really excited. I've been seeing this everywhere, other people doing videos on it, and I was like, I want to try that, but I don't know. I was just like, maybe I don't know if I will or not. And then I started having friends and family asking me if I tried them, and I was like, no, should I? So I asked on Instagram and Snapchat, and a few people did say they wanted to see this video. So if you don't have me added on those handles, go ahead and do so. Of course, I'll leave the information on the screen somewhere. But yeah, let's just get right into this video. I'm good on These are the lashes here, and I got the Ardell ones. I know when they first came out, they had like some really expensive kind. I don't even remember the brand. I remember watching a Sophia Nygaard video, and that was where I first saw the magnetic lashes. I swear that girl, she starts all these trends. Well, she didn't make the lashes, obviously, but she started. I remember seeing her for her video first. And the lashes that she bought were like these really expensive ones. And then I was like, nah, I'm not gonna spend like $100 on some magnetic lashes, because they didn't even look that great. But then Ardell came out with some, and they look just like, they're the double demi wispies, and they look just like the regular ones that I buy and glue on. So I was like, yeah, I can do that. Okay, I'm about to rip this box. So just so you know, I got these off of Amazon, and they were $13.99. Which is a lot better than $100, and is basically the same price of some of the more expensive store brand lashes, like the Eyelure and the Vegas Nay and stuff like that. So anyway, I need a mirror. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one side with mascara. I already have my eye makeup done, as you can see. So I'm gonna put mascara on one side and try it, and then I'm gonna try it on the other side without mascara and see if there's a difference. So I'll just do mascara on this side. I'm using the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. Okay, now I'm gonna bring you guys in closer. How close can you get? All right, and I'm just gonna take a pair of my tweezers. Oh, it's like glued on there. Hold up, let me use my finger at first to get this off. Let me just show you. I hope that this focuses. Can you see the little magnetic strips on there, or the little magnetic things? So that, oh, let me keep track of this. Hello. This is the under part. So this is the under part of the right eye, and this is the upper part. And I think I watched enough videos to just go in for it, because it's pretty self-explanatory. You basically put the top lash on. I hope that I'm close enough for you guys to really see what's going on. So I'm going to put the top lash on here. Oh, it's so hard with these. It's so hard with the tweezers, because duh, it's magnetic, so it's sticking to my tweezer. So I'm going to use my finger. Oh. I can't even get it where I want it. It's so curved. Okay. Oh my gosh. It can't be this hard. Let me just try to bend it a little bit, because it's like too curved and it's not wanting to go on my eyelid. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm dead. This part right here, look, do you see that? It's like not wanting to go down. I mean, maybe once I put the bottom part on, it'll want to stick to it. Oh. Oh. What? What? I mean, it's hella off. Look, I feel like I can see like a huge black line right there. But that was actually really easy. I don't like the way the end is. Look. There's like a big, let's pull it off. Wow. It comes off really easily though. And it doesn't rip your natural hairs out. I want you to stay back there. Watch this whole thing be out of focus. I'm like, fuck. Okay. Okay, let's see if you can see this. Oh my, oh. Okay, let's try the other eye. I'm gonna fix this one and then we'll try the other eye without mascara. Okay, I kind of got this eye on the way I wanted it to. I don't know if you can see that, but it's not all the way up to the lash line on the edges. See right there? So, and then with that lash that's underneath your regular lash, it does make everything look weird. Kind of like, it just feels weird on my eye, honestly. But let's do the other side. I found that when I curled this side, it was better. So I'm just gonna curl just a little bit. And you are able to use metal tweezers, you just don't want to get too close to the actual magnets. So let's, oh my gosh. Okay, come on. And it's like once you get that top one on, it's just like, don't move. Don't move. When you put the bottom one on, you want to get as close. Oh. Yeah, I found that I had to do it maybe like on this side, I had to do it at least like 3, maybe 4 times before I got it to where it looked kind of okay. Come on. Okay, okay. Okay. It's the edges, man. It's the edges. Okay, look at that. Can you see that? It's not even on my eyelashes. Like in the middle it is. Let me keep trying. Alright, I got both on the best that I could. Do you see how it's not connected on the ends here and here? Here and here? That is like the best I could do. You really, when you put the bottom one on, you really want to like get as close to your lash line as you can. But they don't look horrible. I feel like they're crooked. Like this one's popping out here and this one's popping out here, but you could probably easily hide that with eyeliner. And I did end up putting mascara on this side because it wasn't even, the lash wasn't even laying onto my regular lashes without any mascara to hold it. I think that you could do it without mascara if you have really long, thick eyelashes already, but mine are very thin. So I did have to put mascara on that side to get it to stay. But I'm actually gonna do something a little, well, what I haven't seen done yet is try and wear these as long as I can all day today and see if they just stay on. If I'm gonna have to readjust them, if I'm gonna have to reapply them. So I'll just kind of take you with me to do, to kind of check in with that, and we'll see how it goes. So far they don't look too bad. They look like a lot like regular lashes I would wear, but I'm not feeling the corners not going down at all. So We'll see how well they do though. Okay, so it's literally been like 30 minutes and I was going through my video and started editing it, and I just didn't like the way these lashes look. Even right now, they don't feel comfortable. They feel like heavy. I can see where it's coming off on the ends. I even took the side off and I was like trying to finagle it and trying to get it back on, and it was just taking me so long, and I'm not a patient person, so this was just making it worse. And to me, I was like, you know what, it's not worth it. I want to wear lashes that fit on my freaking eyelid. So I just got my regular lash and put some glue on it, and I'm just gonna show you the difference. Let me get you closer. So I still have my left one on. I have this glue. Hopefully it's tacky. And I'm gonna put this on. It's okay that there's the white glue right there. It's gonna dry clear. But with the glue side, like that took me, this will take me like 30 seconds to get on here and like mold it to my eye. And there you go. It's not as thick as this side because these are double wispies on the left, but the edges are down and the glue's not dry, so you can definitely see like the white. But look at that compared to that. It's not even on my eyelash. Let me put this other one on and then I'm gonna end this video, so hold on. Alright guys, I have my regular lashes on now, and I just want to say kind of like a final thoughts type of thing. There's a lot of different things that go into why a product can work. For me, I'm out of breath. For me, the main reason is my eye shape. I just feel like the lashes wouldn't adhere to my eye shape, and eventually it didn't work for me. They felt really heavy. I've been putting on false lashes for about 2 to 3 years now, like almost every day, and I can easily just pop them on. That was really frustrating. I felt like it took longer, and I personally just don't like them. I feel like it could work for some other people depending on your eye shape. You could also trim them too. I didn't do that just because I didn't, but I feel like you could make them work, but it's just more work than just putting glue on a lash and putting it on your eyelid. The other good thing about it is it doesn't pull out your hairs when you take it off, so that's good, because when I wear the glue, I do have some hairs, some eyelash hair that does come out when I take off my lashes at the end of the night. So that's one good thing about it too, is that it doesn't take out your natural hair out of your eyelid. Just like anything else, you should probably, if you really want to try something, you should definitely try it for yourself. But for me, I did not like the magnetic lashes. I did save them. I will try and use them again, maybe another time, but right now they're just not for me. And these lashes that I put on, they are Ardell wispies as well. They're not the doubles, but they are really comfortable. I don't feel like I'm looking and seeing black, like, because that's how it felt. It looked like I was seeing like a black line. And with these, I don't feel that way. Yeah, I'm not gonna wear them all day like I wanted to. I don't have the patience for it. So anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you got this far, thank you. And I guess I will just see you guys in my next video. Bye.